Alright guys, now time for another video update, and we have another not major, but another winter storm going to make its way into Connecticut. You can see this huge bulk of moisture. Thankfully, that's going to miss us out to sea. If this were to move into Connecticut, that would cause so many problems in so many different ways. But the two jet streams will not phase, and that is why we will only see half of the storm, and that looks to be the weaker portion of the storm, which is a very good thing. Dodged a really nice bullet there. You can see the current radar. You can see snow into New York, Pennsylvania, back down into Kentucky and Tennessee. Rained all the way down into Florida, and you can see that nice line there, convective line down there in Florida. You can see isolated snow showers in Maine and also in southern New England alone. If you take a look at the regional radar right now, you can see we had a couple of spotty snow showers, very light today in northeastern Connecticut and northwestern Massachusetts. That has all moved into New Hampshire. Temperatures very, very mild right now. As of 5:56, about 5 minutes ago, you can see temperatures are in the 40s and the sun's down. So tonight's lows will be tomorrow's highs, and I think tonight's lows will be in the upper 20s to lower to mid 30s. Current wind speeds right now around 3 to 8 miles an hour throughout the state. In general, 5 to 10 miles an hour. And you can see wind chills, really not that bad. No one should be complaining with this nice mild weather. You can see here cold front is moving down through Florida. That's why they have that nice little convective line as that front pushes through. And you can see these multiple low pressure systems that will be moving through Connecticut tomorrow. And I'll show you the snow map right now, and you can see here about 2 to 4 inches of snow, general widespread 2 to 4 inches of snow, and then you get into some of that mixing along the shoreline with a general 1 to 2 inches of snow. And I'm not thinking huge surplus when I put this plus sign there. I'm thinking up to 6 inches for most of this covered area, so I'm not thinking a huge storm at all. Here's the WRF model, aka the NAM. You can see this very quick duration storm gets in here about 10Z to around 13Z, which I believe is 5 to 8 a.m. and it leaves about 20Z, so about 5, 6, 7 hour storm, which is not that bad at all. And that's why it will dump very small amounts of snow. Tomorrow's highs will be in the 30s, little upper 30s going on there along the shoreline, but general lower to mid 30s. Tomorrow's daycast. Now this is important for your morning commute, mostly snow. In terms of schools, do think that there could be a couple of delays. Well, delays are likely for most areas. Cancellations kind of iffy. Some towns are closed once again due to the snow removal again tomorrow, but overall school closings tomorrow, I don't really think a whole lot will be taking place. But here are the weather headlines for this week. Cool down for the storm after Tuesday with highs in the teens and the 20s. Lows in the negative single digits. So it will be very, very cold. And you can see watching potential storm for Thursday and Friday time frame. That since asked the models today and yesterday, that will be no more. Snow looks to be likely Tuesday with mix along the shoreline. That still looks likely at this time. You can see beautiful week ahead, but temperatures will be downright cold. And then Sunday is our next chance for some snow. No major storms in the next 1 to 2 weeks, so we finally get a break. Couple of mini storm systems that could bring around 2 to 4 inches. Couple of those. And mostly partly cloudy, and another warm-up is possible, and you can see the 34 degrees there for Sunday. And I do not mean a miniature warm-up, I mean a major warm-up, as a Bermuda high will be taking effect middle of February. And when I say major warm-up, I'm talking about 40s, close to 50 degrees, so it's going to get nice out there. So we just got to get through this one storm and a couple of nice cool temperatures, and that's going to be about it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.
Out of time, so say goodbye. What is yours now is mine.